At Asbury, we're blessed with some unique facilities. We have a black box theater. It is a flexible space that allows us those opportunities with the students to create the stories we want to tell and not confined by a certain architecture or a certain style of storytelling.
The black box can use all four of its sides.
As I started understanding more about the black box, I realized that you could do so much with it.
Attached to these facilities, we have pieces that support the activities that go on in this space. We have a shop, we have a costume shop, we have props and furniture, as well as a television studio, recording and editing bays that allow the students to pull from and use to tell the stories that they're working on.
Having a broad education on all the different departments that there is in theater, stagecraft, costuming. They teach you acting, camera, and so they're not just giving you a narrow path. With your education, they're making sure that you have touched all of it and experienced all of it.
I'm a junior right now, and I've worked in many different productions, whether that's backstage or on stage. I've worked on Voice of the Prairie, Elektra, just to name a few.
I have already worked on 2 student films, and I'm currently involved in a 3rd one, so there's definitely a lot of work with the media department.
Students at Asbury have lots of opportunities to work together, not just on theater things, but on the film and television side as well. We are in a building that we share with MediaCom and the film people, and this allows opportunities for collaboration, networking, and building the community of storytellers that they're going to go off and work with in their future.